But really, congratulations on many things to look forward to. We have so many brand new chapters, brand new eras, right? We were talking about backstage, yeah. It's been a whirlwind, but it's
A lot
been
of moving
amazing.
parts, but also excited and very grateful. Although it's overwhelming, but I wake up every day being so grateful.
Oh, I love that for you. Congratulations.
I mean, right now I have to say I have become more intentional and more conscious about
Yes.
longevity.
Oh, gusto ko yung longevity.
Oh, I don't feel old here, but come on, everyone's into longevity these days. Because as you said, I just got married, and naturally, of course, we are planning, sana hindi na yung timeline, but of course, we're going to have to try to have kids in the future and, build a family. And when that day comes, of course, I'd love to be able to have the energy to run around with my kids, and to play with them and not just watch from the sidelines. So, kung before, I would resort to like the quick fixes or the latest beauty trend or fitness trend. Right now, I invest more in my future self. And that's not to say ayoko maging maganda. Dapat talaga maganda, maintain pa rin, di ba? Of course, I still want to look good. But ultimately, my priority now is to, have the energy to enjoy every chapter of my life.